I see some kind of a big, there's a big woodpecker right there. I don't even know what the heck that is. Let's see if it comes out. That thing's huge. It's interested in the tree over there. Okay, I don't even know what the heck that thing is. So I'll have to come back here with more discs and see what kind of video I can get, because that's the biggest woodpecker I've ever seen in my life. So that's pretty wild. I can go back inside and try to get a closer look at that thing while it's sitting there for a minute.
Anybody want to do you know, I think they might be looking at the bird, honey, because that's a big one they're looking at. Wow, that's a beautiful bird.
The first one was vegetarian. The second one was it's here on Thursdays from 7 to 9. We still have these 4 left. Okay. We don't have to go.
Yeah.
But, you know, there's a limit of 75 people who want to see it.
And you won't see the sun. You gotta be careful though. If it's snow, they're not gonna see it. Well, I'm not gonna see them, and they're not gonna see you. I can see where he was. I can't see where he is right now. Oh, he's back here. I turned him around.
There's a good view. That's great.